In today's video, I'll show you the best Raw Accel settings for Arc Raider. First things first, you want to open the software for your mouse. It's going to be totally fine if your mouse doesn't support any software, but generally you want to apply your preferred DPI. So in my case, I'm using 1600 and most people use 800. For polling rate, you want to select the highest supported value. In my case, it's going to be 1000. From there, let's head over to the Raw Accel application, click on chart, and then you want to input your right DPI. In my case, I'm using 1600 and the polling rate is going to be 1000. Click rescale by Windows, and then you want to apply the following value. We will see this uptrend of smooth right here. So you can apply for the sense multiplier 1, X and Y ratio, you want to leave this at default. Click the X and Y lock option. The rotation is going to be 0, and then you want to select natural for the drop down menu. You want to apply 0.1 on the decay rate. Now you can adjust this from 0.5 to 0.1. In here, for the input offset, you can once again adjust this from 15 to 19. And lastly, the limit is going to be 1.5. And so if you click on the apply button, you will see this smooth option right here. And if we try to edit this into something like 0.2, click on apply. Once again, we can see this accordingly apply to our chart. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.